Finding the right people on LinkedIn is honestly one of the hardest parts. Not messaging, not content, just figuring out who should I even reach out to. Because if your targeting is off, everything else doesn't work. So instead of doing this manually, I built a system for it. I connected my LinkedIn account to Claude using ConnectSafely's MCP server, as you can see on my screen, which basically lets AI not just analyze data, but actually take actions from my account. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I am giving Claude a single prompt where I ask it to find people in my target industry, filter them based on relevance and activity, categorize them into hot and warm leads, and then go a step further. Engage with them by sending connection requests, liking their post, and even commenting on them. So instead of me spending hours searching profiles one by one, Claude is going to handle the entire workflow. Let me run this and show you what happens. Alright, so as you can see here, Claude has now executed the entire workflow and generated the full summary. Everything from connection request to likes and comments has already been completed. Now let's quickly verify a few of these results. Let's open the first profile. Let me open link. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, the post is loading. So as you can see here, a reaction has been dropped and a comment has also been added from my account. So this is not manual. This was done automatically through the workflow. Let's go back to Claude and look for another profile. Let me click here, open link again. Let's wait for a few seconds more. The post is loading again. Again, you can see here the post has been engaged, a reaction is added, and a comment is already in place. So the system is consistently executing actions across different profiles. Let's go back to Claude again and look for another profile. Let me click here, here, and let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, the post is loading. Same thing here. Reaction has been added and a relevant comment has been posted. So across multiple profiles, the engagement is already done. Now coming back to Claude, as you saw, the entire process has been executed end to end. A few profiles didn't have active posts right now, so those can be revisited later. But overall, the outreach engagement and initial visibility building is already handled. So this is the real power of Claude when combined with Connect Safely's MCP server. Instead of manually visiting profiles one by one, figuring out who to engage with, and taking actions individually, this system does everything in one flow. You can keep running this, keep discovering new people, and keep building your LinkedIn presence without the usual manual effort. And that's the shift. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.